Hashtag. Hashtag. Join us for tea. Please give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you so much. You can never see it. You can never see it. In pricing, we're talking credit management. So understand the stakeholder that you are pitching to. And when you are pitching to them, answer these 4 questions. What problem are you solving? What's your unique selling point? What's your story? What do you need?
Now, Bokoni Fuels manufactures biodiesel, supplies petrol, lubricants, as well as paraffin.
The Salama app is an emergency app which you can just use with an easy e-panic use.
Our products target skin issues like pigmentation, acne, dry skin, eczema, oily skin, dark marks, and gives a natural overall glow.
A security services to help surrounding mines, businesses, and tax industry and society at large.
The brand is a laundry business that provides services that range from clothes to shoes.
Credit is an important thing. It's necessary. It's a tool, not just for consumers, but especially for businesses. And like any tool, you can use it to build something or you can use it to break something. And that's the important part about credit, is getting the right type of credit, understanding it, and managing it properly.
Brand South Africa does work in 2 ways. We are the official custodian of the nation brand. We manage the country's reputation. We do our work in 2 ways. Internationally, we position the country for investment. Internally, we work towards building social cohesion.
It's top line amounts. They mean everything, but they actually mean nothing if they're not being managed well, which is why the actual careful knowledge of every single thing that's trickling in and out of your business is extremely, 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 extremely important. If you wanted to know if your marketing is working, check your finances.
The misconception is ignoring costs. This one is a big one. I think a lot of us that are in business ignore hidden costs. And you keep taking money out, money out. All of us here in business have hidden costs, but you don't sit and actually think about them. And that is one of the things that actually kills a lot of businesses.
With every failed business that I've been involved in, I've always taken the time back to sit back and ask myself, what went wrong? And what are some of the key lessons that I can take out of this thing? So what went wrong is that I was the common denominator. That's the first thing in all of this thing. The second thing was that in every business that I've partnered with, things have not gone the way I wanted them to go, because we get excited with, let's start a business as the chomi. But the question is, do we have the same idea? Do you have the same drive? Do you have the same passion? Do you have the same work ethic? Right? If the answer to any of those questions is no, then maybe pause and reevaluate your strategy.
Be diligent in your work. Because when you're diligent in your work and you deliver, it opens up other opportunities.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the pitching competition, walking away with the grand prize of 50,000 is Neo!
The only thing I can say right now is to never give up.